Guys, this is by far the biggest event that any centralized exchange is going to hold. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of MEXC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now let me take your focus to the Ferrari giveaway link that they have, and it will also be in the description, guys, so don't worry about that. That way you could go ahead and click on it. When you do your own research, it will take you directly to this page. So this is the crown jewel of this event in the Ferrari SF90 Straddle. So guys, MEXC's Win Big Everyday Ferrari Up for Grabs event is a thrilling opportunity for traders to demonstrate their skills in a high-stakes perpetual futures trading competition. Now, with a massive 10 million USDT prize pool, guys, this event promises an unforgettable month of trading excitement and reward. So the highlight of this competition is a luxurious Ferrari SF90 Straddle, which is valued at $500,000, and this grand prize awaits the trader who secures the top position, making it the ultimate reward for exceptional trading performance. So the excitement also doesn't end there. Now, the daily scratch cards provide participants with the chance to win up to $2,024, while the weekly prizes are worth up to 5,000 USDT to add more to the incentives. Now, these rewards ensure that every trade counts and it maximizes the opportunity to win big. Now, this event is going to run from November 17th, 1600 UTC to December 17th, 800 UTC. And this limited time event is a golden opportunity for traders to shine. All right, so MEXC is also the ideal platform for discovering high potential altcoins before they gain mainstream attention. They are actually acting fast with those altcoins, and they list them very early before other centralized exchanges list them on there. So before they get even listed to other places, you already have the edge of getting that early access and early purchase of those tokens, and that means you get more opportunity to get as much profits from that trade as you can. So with the most extensive selection of altcoins on CoinMarketCap, it's perfect for gem hunting during the hot market phase, which is right now. Notably, guys, all right, this is a fact, okay? MEXC listed Shiba 1 month before Binance. Believe it or not, go ahead and search that. I'm not joking, guys. That is one perfect example of an altcoin or a meme coin that got listed first in MEXC, and then it skyrocketed, went straight to the moon before it got listed to Binance, and voila, your money has 100 times before it got listed, right? So that is the power of you checking out MEXC and trading with MEXC. So MEXC's low fees make it the best choice for futures traders. It offers substantial long-term savings, and additionally, its innovative affiliate program lets key opinion leaders share commissions with referred traders. So it creates more opportunities for growth and profitability. So you could go ahead and trade in MEXC, guys. Check them out, do your own research, and of course, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. So in summary, guys, okay, we checked out MEXC's Ferrari event this November 17th until December 17th. Go ahead and check them out. I wish you all the luck, and I hope that you would get as much profit as you can in this bull run. So if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.